Okay, if we are here for the optical storage device. If you see over here, let's note down the points. Okay, the first point is, what is optical storage device? So optical storage device is a device that uses to store or read the data using light, also known as optimal disk. Now if you come over here, what is the meaning of optimal disk? Optimal disk is nothing but the disk, the CD drives, the DVDs, what you're going to use over your datas to store your data. So all the datas like your compact disc, your DVDs, your Blu-ray disc are all the known as optical storage device. So there are three types of optical storage. Okay, first one is your compact disc, also known as CD, which stores maximum of 700 MB. The second one is DVD, which is about 8.4, stores up to the data of 8.4 GB. Next is Blu-ray disc, which stores the data up to 50 GB. Okay, let's continue with the advantages of storage device. If you see over here, I have noted down all the 5 points over here. The first point is mass storage capacity. It means that the optical devices or the optical storage devices, whatever you people are going to use, like CD, DVD, or your Blu-ray disc. So what happens? This disc or this drives, whatever we are going to use, has a huge amount of data. It can store up to, you can say, like 700 MB to 50 GB of data. So what happens? A mass storage capacity, a huge amount of capacity is being used. So if you knew that easily mountable and storage units, means mounting is nothing but your accepting. Your system can accept it very easily, and easily unmounted means eject it very easily. So it is very easily adopted and easily ejected from your system. That is the meaning of the word mountable and unmountable. Okay, next is long media life. Long media life means the data which you are storing into these disks or devices, in the storage devices. So what happens? These can be stayed for long days, for months to years. The data can be stored till months to years. Okay, so our next thing is low cost per bit of storage. If you see the CDs, what you are available in your general stores, or DVDs which are available in the stores, it is available with very less cost. Generally we get usually at rupees 10 to rupees 30 only. I guess a Blu-ray disc may be available on rupees 100, the blank one, okay, not the new one. But what happens? It's a huge amount of data can be stored, and the cost is literally very low. So what happens next is high data stability. The stability means the data, amount of data what you're going to store in it has the highest stability to store a high formation of data. Okay, now we are here for the disadvantages of optical storage device. So for first is optical devices are not vulnerable to the data loss. Why? Because most of them are read-only memory. Now what is the feature of read-only memory is, once you write the data in the read-only memory, then it cannot be changed. So second point is physical size of the storage device, or physical nature of the storage device. Now what is the disadvantages? Once the data is been written in your CD or Blu-ray or DVD, it cannot be changed. Okay, but you can just copy it to another device. But what happens? Physical distribution or external damage. For example, you have your CD in your hand, you take it somewhere, okay, unfortunately the CD breaks, then what? You cannot use the CD, right? Then it becomes a wastage of the data, means a loss of the device or data. So your data has been lost, the device is lost, even the CD is getting scratched also, you cannot use it properly, right? Then what happens? Automatically your data is being disturbed or corrupted and you cannot use it. It is a loss of data, right? Now everyone have the second last point I have said is bigger compared to the flash drive. The flash drives are nothing but your pen drives, USB, smaller USB, or whatever kind of USB, like 3.0, USB 2.0 or 3.0. Now what happens? It is the size of a pen drive. Pen drive means once in a very smaller pen. It is in the size of fingers also. But what happens? CD compared to pen drives are a little bit less flexible, right? So it is a amount of a disk, like, okay, you have to take it anywhere and you have to see whether it is scratched or not. Pen drive means what? You can just take it and keep it in your pens or like a pocket and just roam it out. So what happens? That becomes actually a disadvantage compared to the flash drive.
Come on, wake the streets up.